Meet the 2012 BMW 128i, a compact coupe with classic BMW roots, loved by driving enthusiasts and often seen as one of the last true driver's cars in BMW's lineup. But what makes this car special? And why do some owners rave about it while others are ready to say goodbye? Let's dive in. The 128i is powered by BMW's legendary naturally aspirated 3-liter inline-6 engine, the N52. It produces 230 horsepower and delivers smooth, linear power, ideal for those who appreciate the thrill of rear-wheel drive. What owners love most? The balance. The 128i is small, nimble, and fun to drive. It's the kind of car that makes even a trip to the grocery store an event. Unlike many modern cars, the 128i feels connected. The steering is responsive, the power delivery is immediate, and the car's compact size allows it to dart through corners with ease. For enthusiasts, this is one of the last cars that captures BMW's iconic driving dynamics. But no car is perfect, and the 128i is no exception. Let's talk about some common maintenance problems. One of the biggest issues is the electric water pump. Owners report that it tends to fail around 60 to 100,000 miles, and replacing it can be expensive. It's a part you don't want to ignore. Overheating can lead to serious engine damage. Another common issue? Valve cover gasket leaks. Over time, the gasket deteriorates, causing oil to leak onto the engine. If you smell burning oil, that's a telltale sign. Control arm bushings and suspension wear are also frequent complaints, but these issues are manageable with regular maintenance. Inside the cabin, the 128i has a classic BMW design, simple and driver-focused. But some owners feel the interior materials don't hold up over time, with reports of wear on the leather and plastics. The car also lacks some of the tech and luxury features found in newer models, which can be a deal breaker for some. And while it's a great car for the driver, the compact size means space is limited, especially in the back seat. If you need more room for passengers or cargo, you might find the 120i a bit cramped. So, why do some owners sell? The cost of maintaining a BMW isn't cheap. As the 128i gets older, repair bills can start to add up, especially if you're dealing with expensive parts like the water pump or suspension components. And for some, the lack of modern features and tech is enough to make them look for something newer. But for those who keep it, the 128i is special. It's one of the last small BMWs with a naturally aspirated engine. It offers an analog driving experience in a world that's becoming increasingly digital. For many, it's a reminder of what BMW used to stand for: driving pleasure, pure and simple. Whether you're a fan of classic BMW driving dynamics or just curious about owning a piece of automotive history, the 2012 BMW 128i continues to offer a unique experience. Sure, it comes with its quirks, but for many, it's worth every second behind the wheel.